Hello friends, hope you're fine. Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 41, and today's topic is matching parts of sentences. Here you see two parts of a sentence. Jane went to bed early because she was so tired. The first part tells what Jane did. The second part tells why she did it. Means he went to bed early. And next part tells why. Here is the reason, because she was so tired. After reading this, we are getting one exercise to understand this thing properly. We have to do. Let's start. Here it's written, each sentence below is in two parts, but the parts have become mixed up. Write the first part of each sentence, then add on the part that fits it. The leaves were falling. The leaves were falling from which place? A very long neck, no, is called a lamb. Go to the seaside. Our brother and sister is called stable. From the trees. The leaves were falling from the trees. We can match this way, from the trees. Next one. Tony and Sheila. Tony and Sheila, what we can get from this place? In very wet weather, playing with his rattle, no. All the milk in the dish, no. Short furry tail, no, is called a stable, no. Our brother and sister, this is appropriate answer, I think. So this will be Tony and Sheila are brother and sister. Next one. The cat leaped up. Lift up why or from which place? Let's get the answer. A very long neck, no, is called lamb, no. Go to the seaside, no. Stable, no. Short furry tail. All the milk in the dish. This is appropriate answer. So the cat lift up all the milk in the dish. Our baby likes playing with his rattle. Okay, playing with his rattle. This one. Next, the rabbit has what? The rabbit has a short furry tail. The rabbit has a short furry tail. Next one, baby sheep. Baby sheep, what is called a lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. This is the answer. People often catch a cold. Why or when? The answer is in a very wet weather. 8 number, a giraffe has, so is it a very long neck, so we can match it with this one. Next one, the home of a horse is called we know this is called a stable. So this one. And here last one, 10 number. In the summer, many go to the seaside, only this one is left, so this will be the answer. Hope you have understood it. It's so easy, just need to think for a while. Today up to this, next day we'll do another page, that is page number 42. Bye for today.